That level's like a magnet now. Everything in this market's flipped. I haven't seen any institutional side using Fed discount window monies, the IBs, that is, investment banks, pumping things. It looks like a lot of that activity really came to an end. That was the last one where I saw it. From that point going forward, it's been none. It's been all profit taking. And, there's a lot of really nasty geopolitical stuff building up too. So I'm not surprised smart money's been on the, and what have I been saying? I said they're distributing, they're unwinding predominantly long stock positions, buttoning down the hatches, getting ready for what's ahead. And this level break will really confirm that to me. Not that it would happen today, but I mean, Powell does speak again tomorrow, but we'll see. But I stuck to the short side today, and I was short in the overnight session. Let's go take a look just past another TPT account to add another one to the mix. And voila, you can see I was short in the overnight, added some, take some off. It's adding, taking off, taking off. Over the 159,000 threshold, $1,700 day. So now I'll trade this live. I'll probably go ahead and buy the other two accounts now that this one's eligible for payouts. I'll make a little bit of money in it, like 5K, do withdrawal. And that's after accumulating the initial pad. Then, actually, probably I won't do that. I'll probably just make like 3K, withdraw it. Then I'll go in and trade up to 5K plus, leave it in there, and flip it from a Pro to a Pro Plus account so that this account is a Pro Plus account while I'm trading the other two, kind of leisurely. And I like doing it that way because the way I trade a live account, I just go like on 150, that's the biggest account you can get with these guys. Currently, anyhow, is a 150K account. On a 300K account, I just go for 1,250 a day daily average per account. On this account, I'll just go for 750 a day in the live mode. And as I'm trading my live account connected to my two additional accounts to let me have of 150K, they'll be methodically going through the process of getting passed. And when they come online and they pass, then I have to delink them, pay the little fee, flip it to a live account, then relink it. But that's sometimes the smartest way to do it. When you have a lot of accounts that are already paying you out, just, when there's deals, go buy all three accounts at once. When there's not deals, just buy one, pass it, get some payout money from it. Use some of that payout money to add in other accounts just organically. It's not a race here. It's not like, oh, I got to get 40 accounts turned on in 29.2 days. Just get one done, then get another one done, and stay consistent. Keep passing them and keep growing your cache of accounts. So passed another TPT account, passed many through them. They pay out good. So I have zero complaints with Take Profit Trader, great group. All I wish now is that I could get 10, at least 10, 200, 250, or 300K accounts on the Tradeovate platform with CQG data, because I'm trying to not add any more accounts with Rhythmic data in case Rhythmic keeps having issues. So there you have it. Passed another account. And I don't know, I think that's 74. I passed 74 futures accounts. And I don't even know how many FX prop accounts I passed because those we just trade automated and we link them on Social Trader Tools Trade Copier. So that's easy to pass those now, especially with the new Moneyball EA out. That thing's a rock star. Okay, so there you have it. Let's go back, take a quick look at the market. So NASDAQ was the horse leading everybody up. Now NASDAQ's the boat anchor leading everybody down. And we're getting closer. That level's like a magnet. We're right down there. We had buying came in that day, right after the big pump. We had buying that day, and then they did a W pattern lift with a higher pivot low just above. So this whole area is like a very critical level and what I call the over under level right now for the current markets. Then we have a whole bunch of support down and through here that will either take some geopolitical event to rip through or something ugly on corporate earnings, or something's going to have to drag us through that level quick. And then the really, really big level going back all the way back here. This is another very prominent area from what was it, Wednesday, the 7th of June. That's a big one. So if you go on any 4-hour daily chart, look at the 7th of June, that pivot low, and then all this we have support, support, support. A lot of this is during day session when there's the most liquidity. So this area is going to be a pretty strong area. But I would not be surprised to see us get down there as we get into July. So there you have it. NASDAQ broke another level of support, looking very weak. May get the test down here today. Could happen, might happen the overnight, might happen tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see if institutionals come in and pump this back up or not. Not seeing much activity from them today, other than they're kind of standing on the wayside, letting it sell as the lower end of the biggest hedge fund groups, like the bottom third, and then all the middle of the road size groups seem to all be on sell side today, taking profits as they see these markets breaking down. Now let's take a quick look at US 30. US 30 is holding strong, but that makes sense. That's a little bit more defensive, the Dow. So the YM or the US 30. So US 30 if you trade the CFDs, the YM if you trade futures. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500 again. That's coming down to a key area. It's hanging on. So if NASDAQ rushes down to that level, starts chipping away, probably going to see the S&P 500 drag down with it. Dow money tends to move into the Dow when it gets defensive, but if things really start getting ugly, Dow's going to follow these two indices down as a group. So there you have it. Passed another TPT account. Had good Q-line trade action today. The Q-line indicator will be out this week for a current group. If you have any questions, go to, let me show it to you real quick, the website. This is QuantVue.io. So Mike is the owner of QuantVue.io. I build his tools. I support his tools. I make all the training stuff. Love working with the guy. He's been fantastic to work with. He's excellent on client side support and services and related. And he's got free trials for the QZone tools and related. He's got some great what they call SMC price action toolkit that automated draws key bank type levels, institutional levels in TradingView. So everything related to TradingView is here at QuantVue.io. So there you have it. If you have any questions, just let us know at hello@quantvue.io. Talk to you guys later. Have a great trade day.